Yeah, very heavy. See. Yeah. Good morning. Welcome to the channel. Today, Monday morning around 6:39. I had to go 38 miles away from me to pick up the car from the main dealer. Then after that, I'm going to bring it to my garage. Basically, that car blown head gasket. Customer contact me, and I'm going to bring it to me and have a look what's going on. Right, came to the place. Yeah, bit early. 7:45. I had to wait 15 minutes. Bit early rather than coming late. Yeah, then I can do my job relaxing. Right, got the key. Right. Baby on the boat now. Let's go to the garage. Oh, when I came, it's 1 hour. Now 1.5 hours. Anyway, nothing to do. Let's go then. Yeah, just came to the unload. I'm not take to the garage at the moment. I'm going to park somewhere, free parking. Once I get ready for the repair, I'll take into the garage. Yeah, let's do the unload here. Yeah, very heavy. See. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. Another job done. See you with the next video. Thank you.